Hi everyone, in this video I'll be discussing few important questions of engineering chemistry. It is worth revising these questions after learning each module. Okay, so module 1, materials for memory and display systems. What is electronic memory device? Explain the basic concepts of electronic memory device. First question. Okay, second one, explain volatile and non-volatile memory. Third one, write a note on organic memory devices. Fourth one, what are liquid crystals? Mention its properties. Fifth one, explain thermotropic and lyotropic liquid crystals with examples. Sixth one, mention the differences between liquid crystals and solid liquid materials. Seventh one, what is homologous series? Explain with examples. Eighth one, mention the applications of liquid crystals. Coming to the module 2, analytical techniques and instrumentation. The question goes like this. First one, define electrochemical cell. Mention the types of electrodes used in electrochemical devices. Second one, what are reference electrodes? Explain the construction and working with neat sketch of calomel electrode. Third one, what is ion selective electrode? Explain the construction and working of glass electrode with neat diagram. Fourth one, explain the determination of pH of a solution using glass electrode by electrochemical measurement. Fifth one, define electrolyte concentration cell. Explain construction and working of electrolyte concentration cell with example. Sixth one, derive the Nernst equation for concentration cell. Discuss the factors affecting EMF of a concentration cell. Seventh one, what is analytical technique? Explain working principle and instrumentation of potentiometer. Eighth one, explain experimental determination of iron by potentiometric method. Ninth one, explain working principle and instrumentation of conductometry. Explain estimation of acid mixture conductometric method. 10th one, explain working principle and instrumentation of pH metric method. Explain how to determine pK of a weak acid by pH metric method. Coming to the module 3, polymers and green energy. The question goes like this. First one, what are polymers? Give example. Second one, what is polymerization? Explain addition and condensation polymerization with examples. Third one, define number, average and weight average molecular weight of a polymer with formulas. Fourth one, what are conducting polymers? Give example. Fifth one, explain synthesis of conducting polymers by various doping methods. Discuss the criteria of a polymer to convert it into conducting polymers. Sixth one, explain the mechanism of conduction in polyacetylene. Seventh one, mention the applications of conducting polymers. Eighth one, what is fuel cell? Explain the working principle of fuel cell. Ninth one, explain the advantages and disadvantages of fuel cell. 10th one, discuss the differences between fuel cell and a conventional cell. 11th one, write a neat sketch, discuss the construction and working of H2O2 fuel cell, mention its applications. 12th one, what are the types of solar energy conversion. 13th one, what is solar cell? Explain construction and working of a solar cell with neat label diagram. Model 4, corrosion science. Define corrosion, explain with example. That is the first question. Second question, mention the consequences of corrosion. Third one, explain chemical corrosion, give example. Fourth one, explain electrochemical corrosion, discuss rusting of iron. Fifth one, explain differential aeration corrosion, give examples. Sixth one, outline differential metal corrosion, discuss with example. Seventh one, write a note on waterline corrosion. Eighth one, explain pitting corrosion with detailed mechanism involved. Ninth one, explain the following factors affecting the rate of corrosion. First one, nature of the metal. Second one, nature of the corrosion product. Third one, ratio of anodic area to cathodic area. Fourth one, nature of the environment, temperature, pH and conductivity. 10th one, define cathodic protection. Explain how to achieve cathodic protection by sacrificial anode method and impressed current method with a neat diagram. 11th one, what is protective metal coating? Mention the advantages of anodic coating and cathodic coating. 12th one, explain anodic coating with example of galvanization. 13th one, explain cathodic coating with example of tinning. 14th one, explain working principle of electroplating. 15th one, explain electroplating of chromium. Hard and decorative chromium coating, mention the applications and advantages. 16th one, what is electrolysis plating? Explain the working principle of electrolysis plating. 17th one, explain electrolyte plating of copper and its application in the manufacture of printed circuit boards. Coming to the model 5th, water technology and e-waste management, questions goes like this. First one, define COD and BOD. Mention the differences between COD and BOD. Second one, explain the experimental determination of COD by redox titration method. Third one, explain the various methods involved in a sewage treatment process. Fourth one, what is desalination of water? Explain desalination process by reverse osmosis method. Fifth one, define hardness of water. Explain softening of water by ion exchange process. Sixth one, what is e-waste? Mention the various sources of e-waste. Seventh one, write a note on e-waste management. Eighth one, mention the various hazardous effects of e-waste. Ninth one, explain the extraction of gold from e-waste by hydrometallurgy process. And for numericals, numerical on concentration cell and number average, weight average, molar mass of a polymer. Yeah, thanks everyone. Thank you.